Hey there, I wanted to take some time to go through our science experiment for this week. It's called the naked egg. So the materials that you will need are a jar of some sort, something that you can put a lid on, and it's going to need to be deep enough to hold the egg and cover the egg in the liquid. The liquid that we're using is white vinegar, so you'll need white vinegar, a jar, and then a raw egg. Okay, and we call this the naked egg experiment because over the course of 2 to 3 days, you'll watch the egg for 2 to 3 days, the shell is going to disintegrate so that you'll be able to see the protective membrane that is under the shell protecting the actual egg inside, and actually look at the strength of that membrane protecting it. Okay, so the way we're going to set this up is I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off the jar, and we're going to carefully put the egg in so it doesn't break. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour some vinegar in the jar so that the egg is completely immersed. There we go, and I'm just going to put the lid on. And the experiment is now set up. All right, and what you'll notice immediately is that it'll start to bubble. So I don't know if you can see as I turn the egg, there's some bubbles coming up, and over the next day or two, you'll see those bubbles you'll get more bubbles out, they'll get bigger, the egg will eventually float towards the top of the vinegar, okay? And by the end of the second day into the third day, you'll see that shell has disappeared and you'll be able to see the membrane. So I'm gonna show you, because I actually set one up a couple days ago. So this is the result. So the egg is floated to the top, you can see it's expanded, and we can see that membrane around there. It's no longer white because the shell is gone. And then if you're really brave, you can go ahead and take that out so your child can actually get an idea of what that looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna very carefully reach in here with the spoon so I can pull the egg out. Okay, and set it down. All right. And now you can actually see how tough that membrane is under the shell and the egg is inside, all right? And if you have an egg you want to take out and compare it so your child can see the difference between the egg with the shell over it and the egg with just the membrane, feel free to go ahead and do that too, all right? Have fun with it. Make observations, ask your child every day what they see, what's different, what's changed, and let us know how it goes, all right? We'll see you later. Bye.